For example, it might take an independent country like Singapore and say, this is how Singapore handles their immigration. This is something that Guam could do if Guam was to become independent. This is what immigration could possibly look like based on these models. If Guam was to become freely associated, we would compare a model like Palau. This is how Palau deals with their immigration. These are the things that it can and cannot do. This is the federal government's role based on their compact of free association. This is the local government's role. What would it look like as a state model? We'll use a case study like Hawaii or California. It's a really nice way for us to not only learn about the current state of our government and the impact of our current political status, but also to come up with some baseline projections.